Today, I'm going to give you a bit of a highlight on a recent project we just finished, AUCloud. AUCloud is Australia's sovereign cloud infrastructure as a service provider. They focus on the Australian government, defence, intelligence, and critical national industry communities. AUCloud engaged out in the clouds to build their Pardot instance and train their internal team on how to manage the platform in a self-sufficient way. They wanted to create a practical and effective process for their sales and marketing team. AUCloud required a marketing automation tool to seamlessly integrate with their current platforms while providing business growth and transparency. 4 key elements to their Pardot build was syncing their Pardot instance to their Salesforce platform, creating an engagement program, segmentation lists, and the ability to be able to score and grade their prospects. Pardot has allowed AUCloud to provide transparency and bridge the gap between sales and marketing and allow them to actually nurture and engage their prospects. This also allowed the marketing team to run campaigns both internal and external without obstacles, while automating any manual processes and tasks so that the sales team can focus on customers. Pardot provided a mechanism to help show the sales team what's happening in the background to help facilitate sales. The beauty of Pardot is that it allowed AUCloud to quickly produce campaign briefs. This enabled sales to really get an understanding of how campaigns are built and provide transparency needed to do business efficiently. Some of the key features of Pardot that really helped AUCloud was the ability to automate campaigns and enable the sales team to do their jobs efficiently.
Working with Out in the Clouds from day one has been supportive, helpful, efficient, and transparent. The whole team has been very professional. I appreciated and found the video training tools post-implementation really useful.